first things first, we came out with regular brushes. Now, you know how much I love our brushes like this they're perfect for people, anyone that has trouble with hands, like if you can't grab things, like all of us are starting to get that way, right? These, and this is Tiffany's favorite thing about them, you put them right there in between your fingers, and now you don't have to, you can just rest your hand and go. You don't have to grab the handle if you don't want to. Now, a lot of people, and these are perfect for stencils. 110% for stencils and any inking. I ink the edges with these, I do everything. But some people are saying, yeah, that's awesome, Stephanie, but I would love to have little brushes too, the handle brushes. So we did come out with those. Of course, they have our little flower on the back, which is really cute. All of them have the flower on the back. And the colors match. So for example, the pink is gonna match the pink. So they all totally match, which is really fun because, you know, there's nothing more exciting than having things that match. And they all have the cute little flower on the back. That is a 10-pack, and let me just pull numbers really quick. It's a 10-pack. Regular price for the 10-pack is $34.99. Black Friday special is $19.99. Gold Club members, if you're gold, you're paying $15.99. That's $1.60 a brush. Okay, amazing. Oh, hi Lemon. Hello, you're back here with me. You hear me talking, don't you? I'd pick her up, but she weighs more than I do, honestly, almost close. Not quite. But she'll be on my No Makeup Monday tomorrow, you guys, because that computer's lower, so you can see it. So I will be keeping these in my Sue or in my 2 drawer. But we are also coming out with, really quick, I want to show you these. A lot of people, when we came out with these, asked for just white by themselves, and I couldn't do it, but so I did it with the white brushes here. So if you need extras, like maybe you want an extra pink for dark pink or light pink or whatever, there you go. Boom, love them. Kathy says, I love the flat round brushes, highly recommend them for easy background blending. Absolutely, absolutely, it's awesome. Ivy said she got everything on the Black Friday sale. Yay! So look at this, boom. BFGM says, this is my first time seeing this company. I heard the word stamp, so I'm going to be joining the club. You're BFGM, you are gonna love it. I'm excited that you're here, welcome. The Stamp Club is awesome. Our stamps are made in the United States. Best deal ever, but the best part is once you join any of our clubs, you get 15% off my entire website every single day, including sale prices, including die cut machines, including Totally Tiffany items, everything, not one exclusion. It's like a sale every single day on our website once you're a club member. So welcome, yay, yay. Oh, Yvette says, I'm a diamond. Diamond Club is the best. Yes, 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 it is. So here we go, the brushes, and they have the pink flower. I made them do it in pink because I'm like, oh, okay. So brushes. So if you want those, just a heads up, those are on Black Friday special. I'm gonna be keeping all of mine in my Sue. Thank you so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.